Every man was made for a different reason. I can't be you, and you clearly can't be me. No, no, no. Jaja lend us the seasons for his own reason. Mankind reigning can never change this. No, no, no. No, we should not be fighting for the color of my skin. No matter who you are, you're my sister, I'm your brother. Come, let's join together. Let us be united, cause we all must live as one. Oh, oh, yeah. Come, let there be peace. Let's fix the broken pieces in each and every nation. Oh, oh, come, let's end the war. Will never take us far. Too much destructions are for children. Oh, oh, yeah. Well, this is Billy Boy, the Jamaican Cowboy. And of course, this new singer is yet to come. And it's called Live as One. Because the fact is that we are all one people. So all these foolishness I've been hearing, each time I turn on my TV. White killing black, and black killing whites and all those stuff. Let me tell you something. It don't make sense to fight each other because of the color of our skin. We know who are the oppressors, really. I know. But I won't say anything. But what I'm saying that we are all one people. And even if you kill a person because of the color of them skin, you kill a person today, tomorrow, or any other day, no matter what, even when you reach 1,000 years old, you must die one day. It's just that the other person gone before you. So guess what? Why we can't live as one, brothers and sisters? That will be so nice. I know the problem sometimes. Mr. Greedy and Mr. Power Struggle, they are always looking somebody to blame. And sometimes they prey on the poor. But trust me, stop the foolishness. We are all one people and we need to live as one. You are all brothers and sisters. Don't make nobody fool no. Whether you're black, white or pink or navy blue, we are all brothers and sisters. Love and respect from Billy Boy, the Jamaican Cowboy.